When economic downturns occur, many firms pull back on R&D initiatives, becoming reactive in their long-term business approaches instead of proactive. So how do firms fare that actually double down on R&D in times of crisis? By analyzing a large data sample of companies from over 82 countries, researchers found that firms in the service industry can actually derive better returns when they increase R&D during an economic crisis, but that those results may also be contingent on many other factors. R&D is crucial to the long-term life cycle of a business, as firms depend on creating new products and services to feed growth. Though in times of economic crisis, most firms see a decrease in R&D intensity. However, researchers found that after the 2008 global financial crisis, many services firms actually derived great value from R&D performed during the crisis, giving them competitive advantages post-crisis that other firms did not enjoy. But researchers also found that success depends on industry dynamism, as well as other external factors. For example, on R&D, firms that exist in dynamic industries typically experience lower returns after a crisis when compared to firms in more stable industries. Firms in countries that have more sound national institutional quality also fare better, as they take advantage of supportive legislation that can reduce costs and protect intellectual property. Wonder if firms should continue with R&D despite economic downturns? If so, you may want to read this paper.